Right, this question given, if 273 multiply 31 equal 8463, then you have to find the values of these multiplications. Right? Right. Now look at the first part, how you can do. 27.3. 27.3 I can write as a fraction. Right? How you can write as a fraction? It has one decimal place. So you can write it 273 over 10 multiply 31. Okay. Then this one I can write again 273 multiply 31 over 10. Okay, are you clear? Right? Right? I multiplied these two. Then this one denominator is 1. Then 10 times 1, 10. Right? Now the question given 273 multiply 31. What is the value? 8463. 273 multiply 31. It is equal to 8463. Right? So I can write 273 multiply 31. It is equal to 8463 over 10. Right? Then what you can do, you can write this value as a decimal number. Right? If the denominator is 10, how many decimal places you have to keep? One decimal place. No, that means before the last digit you have to keep the decimal point. So what is the answer? 846.3. Right, one decimal place you have to keep. Right, are you clear? Can you understand? Right, look at another example. After that I will give the time to do the remaining questions for you. Right, look at the second example. 27.3. 27.3 I can write as a fraction. How you can write? 273 over 10. 3.1. 3.1 I can write 31 over 10. Then you can multiply these two. No? 273 multiply 31 over 10 times 10 is 100. In the question given, 273 multiply 31 is equal to 8463. 8463. This multiplication value is this one over 100. Now this fraction I can write as a decimal number. This denominator is 100. If the denominator is 100, you have to keep how many decimal places? There are 2 decimal places. That means before the last 2 digits, you have to keep the decimal point. So what is the answer? 84.63. Right. Then let's go to check the answer for the third part. Right. Third part, I'm going to get the answer without writing like these fractions. Right. First, you look at this one. 0.31 multiply 27.3. Then when you compare the numbers here, first you ignore the decimal point. Okay, then you have to multiply 31 and 273. Right, 31 multiply 273. What is the answer? 8463. Then you check how many decimal places. The first decimal number has, there are 2 decimal places. Next number, 1 decimal place. So how many total decimal places? 3 decimal places. So final answer, you have to keep 3 decimal places. So what is the answer? 8.463. Right, 8.463. Did you get the answer? It is another method. Okay, also you can get the answer after writing like these fractions. Also without writing the fractions you can get the answer like this, right? Now look at the fourth one, 0.273. I will write these two decimal numbers as a fractions. 273 over three decimal places, no, then one and three zeros, 1000, multiply 31 over 10. Then I can write 273 multiply 31 over 1 and 4 zeros, that means 10,000. Then look at 273 multiply 31, the question given 8,463 over 10,000, right? 10,000 has, there are four zeros, that means four decimal places you have to keep the numerator value. So what is the answer? 0.8463, right? Then next two parts I will get the answers without writing like these fractions, okay? Right, now look at, first you ignore the decimal points. 273 multiply 31, the answer is 8,463. This decimal number has two decimal places and this one also two decimal places, totally four decimal places. So you have to keep four decimal places. That means before the last four digits you have to keep the decimal point. There are no digits before the decimal point, so you can put 0 here. So the answer for the fifth part, 0.8463, right? 0.8463, right? Look at the last part, 0.31 multiply 0.273. Ignore the decimal point. 31 multiply 273. 31 multiply 273 is 8,463. 8,463. Then you have to keep, this one has two decimal places and this one has three decimal places. So five decimal places you have to keep. That means you have to keep five decimal places, no? That means this number, right? Before last five digits you have to keep the decimal point, but it has only four digits. So you can put 0 before the number, right? So what is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before last five digits you can keep the decimal point. So the answer is 0.08463. 0.08463, right? They are the answers, right, of the question parts. Also for your second term can be given like these questions for the first part as well as second part, right? Some multiplication value will be given, then like this decimal numbers multiplication answers you have to find, right? I think you can understand, no? Are you clear? Can you understand all things? Right.